Follow these steps to set up your adjustable locker.
Your machine was thoroughly inspected before leaving the factory, and the delivery carrier has accepted responsibility for this machine. It is very important that you inspect the exterior of all cartons for damage upon receipt from the freight line. Damage in transit, although infrequent, does happen. Nearly all damage in transit can be determined from a visual inspection of cartons. Look for any damage to the cardboard corners. The machines are shipped in clear plastic. Look for tears in the plastic and inspect them closely. Take photos of any external damage to packaging before removing it. If this visual inspection reveals nothing, then the machine has probably been received in good condition. If any carton is received in a damaged condition, it is very important that you follow these steps. First, note any damage on the freight line's delivery receipt. Specify where the damage is located. Take photos of the damage. Second, contact the factory at 800-247-1787 for additional instructions. Send photos of the damage to damage@wichern.com. Include serial number and tracking number of shipment.
Here is the locker's product code and serial number.
Again, please inspect all equipment thoroughly before signing for it and before the driver leaves. Any questions pertaining to damaged equipment should be referred to the factory.
Here you will find the locker's serial number. To remove the shipping skids from the locker, remove the screws on top of the boards. Then use a crowbar and hammer to separate the shipping skids before knocking away the wood from the legs. It's helpful to have someone assist you by keeping the machine balanced upright. Then discard the wood when you're finished. Leveling the machine is an important step. Using a level, place it on top of the machine. Using a 1/3/8 open end wrench, adjust the cabinet legs until the machine is level from side to side and front to back. To access the power cord, you will need to remove this cover. Here you will find the keys to the locker. Remove these Phillips screws and pull the cover out and down to access this GCFI power cord. Now, plug in your machine. Make sure the red light on the power cord is lit up. Turn on the locker by opening the interface door and pushing the power button inside here on the right. You'll need to enter service mode to set prices, test vend the locker compartments, count motors, and adjust the idle screens. To access service mode, use the key to unlock the interface door. Then press the service mode blue button on the bottom of the control board. Now in service mode, you can set prices, select individual prices, or select all prices to set. Use the keypad on the bottom and press save when finished. Performing a test vend will make sure each locker door is working and is also an opportunity for you to place products in the locker compartments. In service mode, you can also perform a motor count so that the machine can correctly identify and detect the number of selections in the machine. In idle screen settings, you can set what appears on the machine when the machine is idle. This is where you would turn on custom promo displays if you have updated the planogram with custom images. Follow these steps to adjust the size of a locker compartment. You will need a Phillips screwdriver and pieces and pins from the service box. In this demonstration, we will combine selections 101, 103, and 105 into one taller compartment that will be used as selection 103. First, combine the locker doors by using the key to unlock the center column. Then, take the black key tool to manually open the locker compartments you want to combine. Place the short end into the hole pointing up and twist to the right to pop open the compartment door. Line up the doors and place the connector pieces between the windows before using a pin to lock it in place. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the latches you don't need. Keep the latch closest to the middle of the new compartment. Now, if necessary, you can remove the trays in the compartments using the Phillips screwdriver. There are 2 screws to remove on each side of the tray. To program a new, taller compartment, place the machine in service mode and go to Motor Type Maintenance. Select Not Available from Motor Type at the bottom. Select the motors you want to remove. Keep the motor with the latch, which in this case is 103. Then press the Save icon in the upper right. Once motors are removed, they can only be recovered by resetting the machine. Now Selection 103 will open the 3 doors that have been combined.